happy to be here with the Laundry Owners Warehouse team and presenting to their customers in South Florida, talking about different opportunities to increase their profitability at their laundromats and different ways that they can improve as laundry owners.
I chose Dexter equipment because of its reliability. I use Dexter Live and Dexter Pay in my store to manage my laundry and be able to, even being in Florida today, I know what's going on 3,000 miles away.
We're here today to support the Laundry Owners Warehouse and their open house provided for their customers. Just wanted to thank them and the whole crew for providing a great event for their customers to be able to learn, to educate them, to give them the opportunity to ask questions with all the people, the industry experts that are here, the vendors, and give them opportunities to learn how to make more money in the industry.